Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this question on the board, wave. And wave is a disturbance which travels through a medium and transfer energy from one point to another without any primary word displacement of the word medium. We have one example today of wave. And that example is a plane progressive wave is represented by the equation. It's called equation because of this equality sign. That's why they call the word equation. Represented by this word equation, y equals to what? 2 sine 200 pi t minus 0.5x, where the symbol have their what? Usual what? Meaning. It means that we are absolute for frequency. We also have time, we also have pi. They have their what? Usual meaning. Yeah, I have to find out what is the word frequency of the wave. This question is very simple. What is the frequency? That means when they give to us now, they are asking us what is the word frequency. But before we solve this, let's put down our solution. This will show that you are solving the problem in your physics class and your exam. So what we have here, we have a wave formula, which is what? Y equals to A sine 2 pi ft minus 0 minus 2 pi x all over what? Wavelength. So this is the wave formula. Remember the A here is what? Amplitude. So if you are to find the amplitude now, very simple. This place of A now, we have what? 2 here. What about the only thing about this formula? Just to compare them, you will see the answer in this formula. If you are to find the amplitude, you have A here. You can see y equals to what? A. Yes, this one y equals to what? 2. So in place of this A now, 2. So if you are looking for our amplitude is what? 2. But the question here says what? Find the word with the frequency. So to find the frequency now, you have to compare this formula together. And the way to compare this formula now is to what? Bring down this formula. We have what? Y equals to 2 sine bracket 200 pi t minus 0.5x. So we now have this equation formula. This is the wave formula. Remember what we are looking for is what? We are looking for frequency. And our formula now we have the word frequency. So we are going to compare this. We are going to take this. Because this is where the x is. And we're going to compare this. Reason because we have t here, we have t here. We have pi here, we have pi here. So if you are looking for frequency now, that means we have f here. That means you can go with this because we have 2 alphabets that are inside here. So to look for frequency now, we're going to bring down these 2 out. So we have 200 pi t equals to what? 2 pi ft. This is what we have. Remember what we are looking for is what? The frequency. Let me explain it again. We have what? This is what? Wave formula. This is what? The equation formula. So we are going to compare them because we are looking for what? Frequency. So we now have what? 200 this is pi t equals to 2 pi ft. You can see that they are similar alphabet here. So that means we are going to cancel it out. T, we cancel what? T. They are the same. And this pi, we cancel this pi. We are now left with what? 200 equals what? 2 times n equals 2f. This is very simple. 200 equals what? 2f. So we are going to divide both sides by the equation of what? F. So now we have what? 200 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. From our mass we have what? 2 cancel 2, we have what? 1. Then we are left with what? F. So 2 here we have 1. 2 here we have what? 100. So we are left with what? 100 here. Equals to what? F. So therefore, our F equals to what? 100. Remember, you have to find the what? Frequency. So this frequency now is equals to 100. But there's a unit for what? Frequency. One thing about physics is that you have to put it in the what? Proper unit. So the unit for frequency is what? Which word is Z. So this brings us to the end of our video today. We have finally gotten the answer. This is the answer we are looking for. You have to find the frequency. Then, mind on your own, you can also look for the wavelength. Thank you very much. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.